How to easily define an array of hundreds of borehole heat exchangers. As a geothermal groundwater modeler, you might face the issue that have a field of borehole heat exchangers defined in the well manager, and you need to connect them one by one to form an array. Of course, you would prefer to avoid doing this operation by hand. From FEFLOW 8.1, this can be easily achieved. At first, need to group the already existing wells in the well manager, and after clicking on the Apply button, you can open the group properties, where you can customize the groups of wells. In order to create an array, you should focus on the closed loop option. Here, you can select the pattern that you would like to include, as how the array should be linked together, parallel, serial, or in a custom manner. You can then define the flow rate, input type, and input value to them. Both constant values or time series are acceptable. If you activate share properties, you can change even the BHE datasets that belongs to one group of BHEs. But these BHE datasets should be created preliminary. You can choose to activate or deactivate this group before you run the simulation. If you want to delete one of the groups, click on the X button. To verify the connection, you can always check the BHE interconnection editor. With this feature, you can increase the efficiency of your geothermal well management workflow.